Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update property insurance shopping with Policygenius, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in policygenius.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on Get Started to begin your insurance shopping process. You will be prompted to enter your zip code. Type in your zip code and click Continue. Next, select the type of insurance you wish to update, in this case, property insurance. Choose the options that best fit your needs from the drop-down menu. You will now be asked to provide information about your property. Enter the details of your property, including the address, age, and value. Once you've filled in the information, click the Continue button. The site will take a moment to process your information. After processing, you'll see a list of personalized insurance quotes. Review the different policies and coverage options available to you. If you see a policy that interests you, click on it for more details. Take the time to read through the coverage limits and exclusions. If you wish to compare more options, simply return to the previous list. Once you've found a policy that meets your needs, select the Apply or Get Quote button. Follow the prompts to complete your application. Be prepared to enter any additional information required for the application. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation of your application. Check your email for any further instructions or requirements. If necessary, contact the insurance provider for any clarifications or questions. That concludes your quick tutorial on updating your property insurance shopping with Policygenius. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.